What happens to your body if you jump rope for just 5 minutes? Jumping rope might seem simple, but it packs a powerful punch for your body, even if you only do it for 5 minutes. Let's dive into what happens when you take just 5 minutes out of your day to jump rope. First, jumping rope gets your heart pumping. In just a minute, your heart rate will rise, and you'll start feeling the burn. This quick boost helps improve your cardiovascular health, making your heart stronger over time. Even after 5 minutes, your body experiences increased circulation, delivering oxygen to your muscles and improving your overall endurance. Although 5 minutes may not seem like a lot of time, it can burn up to 50 calories or more, depending on the intensity. It's an efficient way to torch some quick calories, especially if you're short on time. Jumping rope activates multiple muscle groups, from your calves to your core and even your arms. Just 5 minutes works wonders to tone your legs and engage your core, improving balance and coordination. Your calves get a major workout, while your arms help control the rope, enhancing your upper body strength, too. But it's not just your body that benefits, your mind does too. Jumping rope is a great stress reliever, helping release endorphins, the feel-good hormones that boost your mood and reduce anxiety. Just 5 minutes can lift your spirits and leave you feeling energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. Plus, jumping rope helps improve your coordination and agility. The rhythm of the rope, combined with your body's movements, sharpens your reflexes, which can be especially beneficial for athletes and anyone looking to boost their coordination. So, whether you're aiming for a full workout or a quick energy boost, jumping rope for just 5 minutes a day can do wonders for your body and mind. It's a fast, fun, and effective way to stay fit, even when you're short on time. Give it a try. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips.